Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add page breaks in Canva. It's important to note that page breaks will only work in Canva when you're working in Canva Docs, not in the templates. So open up your Canva document. We're going to add a page break. So wherever we click to add the page break, all the text underneath it will basically be moved to another page. So as you can see, I've added my cursor here. You can see it blinking, and then a little plus sign opens up, and I can click on this. It gives me different actions that I can take. But I'm going to scroll down to where it says page break and click on that, and you can see my text has been added to another page. So that's it. That's how to add page breaks in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.